Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and doing a quick sound test of the BackBay Tempo 30 wireless earbuds. Now these are a fairly new product. They resell for about $30 to $33 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description if you decide to purchase. So on the right side you do have the specs. These are IPX7 waterproof. They have a bass mode, which means you have more deeper, richer bass. They have a 32-hour battery with the case, no lag, so they have a low latency mode as well. And then on the back you have more options available. So you have the controls here, and it shows you just which command helps for each press. So both of them are different for the left and the right. So maybe you should look at this for a while. The most notable one to take into consideration is the press 3 times, and you can do the bass mode, which is highlighted for the right earbud. And then on the right side you have BackBay. Really nice pair of earbuds. So far I'm already liking the packaging. Let's get straight into it. So it says tuned in Boston, BackBay audio, really nice. On the back you do have 1-year warranty, and it shows you where to sign up. So right here you have a little paper here. It says bass mode. Triple tap the right earbud on the B logo basically, or triggering the on and off. And it'll show you 2 beeps for on and 1 beep for off. In the back you have 1-year warranty. Right here you have a user manual, and it does show you basically everything you need to know about the earbuds. Another little reminder for the left and right controls. You have no lag and a bass mode. Most earbuds don't have both of them at once, so that's pretty cool. How to charge them. The charging status, so it says 4 lights 400 to 75%, 3 lights 75 to 50%, 2 lights 50 to 25%, and 1 light 25 to 0%. So let's get straight into it. This is the BackBay earbuds. They are very small. I love the design on it already. It has a nice trim of like silver, and then the whole case is made out of like a aluminum. Put to the side for a second, the ear tips on the bottom. So it says right here, great fit. So you do have a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. Then right here you have not 1, but 2 types of earbuds. So right here you have extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. And then that's pretty much all you have. So here are the earbuds. We're gonna go and set them up. All you have to do is just take them out. They will have a seal on the contact pins. Just take them off. Go into settings and Bluetooth on whatever device you want to pair it with. Open up the earbuds and they'll automatically start pairing. Since I already have them paired, they will already pair, and they are connected right here. Now, to do the bass mode, just triple tap the B and it will make a double beep. If you want to do the voice assistant, triple tap the left earbud to activate it, and it did activate right there. Now the design of these, they do look pretty good. They kind of look like the Galaxy Live Buds. All right, so I did my typical testing. I did a stereo test. I did a latency test without the latency mode. I did a deep bass test without deep bass. I did a lows, mids, and highs. So the lows already without bass, it sounds really good. The mids are actually really good as well. The highs are just barely lacking, like just barely, not too noticeable, but it's pretty good as well. Overall, the clarity is good. Bass on just point is really good as well. When you turn on bass mode, I had it at less than halfway volume, but usually on earbuds, if you want to kick in that bass to activate even better, a little bit over medium volume, and you will notice the bass. And this actually, you can feel the bass when it's on. When you put it in low latency mode, it actually does work really well. So overall, these earbuds, I can already 100% recommend them to anyone that wants them. They're literally 30 bucks and they sound really crisp. And that's my favorite part of earbuds. So I really appreciate this company. It's a small company, I'm pretty sure, because I've never heard of them, but they're really doing a good job. Unlike other companies where they just throw in old tech, like this company right here. They don't do a really good job, as much as a good job as this one. Same price basically, and you could already notice a difference in quality, and yeah, nowhere near as good. Small companies like this that barely get recognition because they're trying to make it out there, and then once they do, they go back to going cheap. And yeah, but this, like the hinge on these earbuds are really good. I'm applying a pretty good amount of pressure here and they're not going to snap. The contact pins, the magnets on here are actually really good as well. They drop in pretty much every single time. They're not that hard to take out, but they're not that easy. So the USB Type-C on the back, it does have indicators on the case itself. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. So it's right now it's at 100%, 4 bars. So these do have IPX7 sweat proof. Not too sure if that'll work for a shower. They do have these in black and rose gold. So for the ladies as well, that's really nice to see. But just from the packaging and everything, I love the experience. This is my favorite earbud so far. Up against the Viatul earbuds. Those are really good. If this had wireless charging somehow, I don't know how you'll put wireless coils in here, then these would be the best earbuds of 2021, no doubt.